And I think you touch on two things, not only gasoline, but oil. And as far as getting into the winter months, 4Q and 1Q, this time last year, the casual diners, those regions in the Midwest and the Northeast that use home heating oil, they underperformed. So I think it is something to look at as far as how much could be redirecting income for bills to the households. If it's going to be flat year over year, that's much better of a situation than what we had entering 1Q18. We had oil prices almost up over 25% for the average household, so energy bills were higher. And this year we're looking to be now at the $60 level per barrel, should be in line with where we were this time last year.
Matt, are there certain parts of the market that benefit more or less on a relative basis because of that impact of lower fuel prices?
Certainly, I think you mentioned Darden. Darden has an Olive Garden brand. It skews to the, call it the Walmart consumer. The broader, perhaps the positioning with the lower income consumer is benefited there because the rebate that you could get over time if gas does continue to come down in price and turns to being favorable year over year. We saw that about 2.5 years ago. We had about $1,000 per household on an annual basis in a overall savings from gasoline at the pump. And historically, yes, you do see that get spent in the aspirational brands. So the brands that the lower income consumer wants to dine at when they have more money.
Are you heartened, Matt, by the fact that retailers seem to be seeing better trends there, and so therefore maybe the mall traffic has improved?
Well, I think certainly you're seeing it across the board in all of the macro catalysts that we're at full employment. You're seeing wage pressure, which is driving income growth also. So I think it's one of the factors, and it's nice not to be a headwind as much as it was maybe earlier on in the year. So I think you want to see calm, steady. You don't want to see spikes, and we're not setting up for having a spike, perhaps.
Matt, great to speak with you. Thank you.
Thank you.